I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes. This is the latest 150, and as it's our most popular model, we've done a number of home video tours of these particular homes. So you may have already got an idea of the layout, but we just thought it's quite good just to go and check out other houses and different versions of these homes, just to give you some added ideas or inspiration, especially if you're interested in this particular 150 model. So just to give you an idea again of some of the stats of this home, it's 150 square metres. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas. It has a full-size scullery and laundry, and this one has also got an office nook. So we'll go and have a look inside and have a wander around. Okay, so we've just come through these beautiful overwall stacker doors that open up right across the front of the building. Normally I'd show you what that looks like with them open, but our builders are actually currently putting the transport protection on, so you'll just have to excuse the background noise at the moment. If you're wanting to look over this side of the room though, the clients have upgraded the window that's usually here to this really lovely big stacker door on this side as well. So it just gives you access to both sides of the building, which is handy if you've got 2 decks. If you're wanting to look up at the ceiling above us, obviously, this is a raked ceiling. It is an upgrade, but it really does make a huge difference to the perception of spaciousness in this area. Quite lovely. I'll just draw your attention now to the entertainment unit over here. This is a good example of our standard entertainment unit for the 150 model. It's got those 4 big cupboards along the end there, the TV recess, the open bookshelf, and the cupboard at the end. We do custom make these units, so we can make changes quite easily, but it's just a good example of our standard, what comes as standard in the 150. The only changes here really are the handles on the cupboards underneath the TV recess, and the other little extra that we've done here is make a little nook at the end here, just to put the curtains tidily away when they're not in use. So that's this side of the room. We'll head over to the kitchen now. Okay, so we're opposite the entertainment unit now in the kitchen area. This is the island bench with engineered stone bench top. Above me here we've got this beautiful, simple yet quite stunning LED strip light. Over this side we've got the hob side obviously. We've gone for a stainless steel look on this bench, but we've sort of tied in the 2 benches with the engineered stone matching splashback. The other difference in this kitchen are the handles. We usually have a sharp nose handle here, but we've gone for the clients have gone for a brushed aluminium handle, which is just sometimes a little bit easier to grab onto. Above the drawers, we've got a 5-burner gas burner, and above that we've got a slightly longer range hood to cover that. The other addition in the appliances is a second oven. So I think the clients are obviously quite keen on the cooking. We've got a few extra upgrades there. Down the very end of the kitchen, we've got a sort of hidden door that hides away a laundry space. So come on in here. This is a really great setup actually. We've got an exterior door there that will go out to a future washing line, and this particular model has a really good amount of storage too. We've got the 4 units above the bench here, and a really good sized linen cupboard in the corner here as well. Underneath the bench, again a stainless steel, we've got the space for a washing machine and a dryer, and an extra cupboard there as well. So a really good amount of storage in here, and quite a well thought out little laundry. So now we'll head off down to the other end of the kitchen and have a look at the scullery. Okay, so we have another hidden space behind this door, the end of the kitchen. So come on in and have a look at the scullery. Right, so we've got a lovely stainless steel bench in here to match the kitchen and the laundry bench. We've also got a sink that's been added in here, which is always really handy to have 2 sinks in your kitchen. The other change in here is that we usually have open shelving underneath the bench, but we've gone, the client's gone for more drawer space, which is always great. And this is my favourite, the corner drawer, which just is a really good safe space, space-saving drawer, and it's just a really easy one to use. It sort of just closes nicely and softly in there. Got LED strip lighting under here as well, which just helps with your preparation, and I think that's about it. Oh, there is one other thing to note. In this scullery, it is a slightly smaller scullery than the usual because we've added a office nook behind this wall. So if you want to come and follow me, behind here, that obviously a fridge will go in here. But around this little wall here is an office nook overlooking a full height, well, almost full height windows and louver. It gives you a little bit of privacy behind this, this wall here, bit of peace and quiet, but you're also close enough to the main area just to sort of see what's going on. And if you've got kids, it's quite handy just to be here, but not right out in the middle of it all. So it's been a really popular little addition, this office nook, and a lot of people are sort of opting to go for it, especially at the moment with people working more at home. So yeah, a good thing to add if you'd like to. So we're just going to head now down to the master bedroom suite. Okay, so we're here in the master bedroom now. The clients have chosen a beautiful blue-grey colour in here, which is really fresh and calming, as you can see. But we'll head over to the other side of the room to the ensuite in here. Please excuse the temporary cable for now. If you know the 150 plan, you'll know this is a bit of a different layout for the ensuite. Usually we'd have the vanity underneath the window there, but the clients wanted the mirror face on, so decided to put the vanity on this wall, this wing wall here. All the other features in here are pretty much our standard. We've got the 1.2 metre vanity with a frameless mirror and the vanity light. Those are all our standard features in here. Around the corner here we have the privacy wall. Here is the toilet, which is our standard toilet there. That's the standard setup. And then in the corner, if you come over here, we've got a frameless glass shower, which is our standard. The differences I noticed in here are actually we've got a textured shower liner as well, and we've actually changed the Hansa, our usual Hansa shower fittings, to Hans Grohe, which is another lovely brand. The final feature is this lovely floor-to-ceiling towel rail, which is pretty cool. Fit a lot of towels in there. So this is the ensuite. We'll just pop next door to the walk-in wardrobe. If you want to come round to the left and go and have a look in there, just excuse the meter box for now. So we've got a few extra drawers and extra hanging rails in there as well. Righty ho, so that is this end of the house. We're going to head now down to the opposite end to have a look at the second living area, the bathroom and the remaining bedrooms. Okay, we're at the opposite end of the house now. Just you want to come through past the entertainment wall through this door here into this beautifully blue second living area. I think the clients are going to be using this as a guest lounge or a TV room. A feature to note in here is this beautiful French doors here going, and with the louvers for ventilation, going out onto a deck later on. Usually it's a window with louver in here, but it's a good option actually just to have an extra door going out to a deck. It's always handy. The other points of interest in here, we've got two bedrooms going off, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, going off either side of the TV area, and then we've got the bathroom through here as well. Please excuse the mess in here. We've got washing machine and dryer and things to pack up, but this is all where we pack everything up ready to have the house transported next week. So we'll go now though and have a look at the bathroom. Okay, so we're coming in from the second living area into the main bathroom here. It's got the same fittings and finishes as we saw in the ensuite. The only change is sort of the colour of the vanity in here. I think they've gone from grey in the ensuite, but they've gone a lovely navy blue in here to tone in with the beautiful wall colour in the second living area. Working our way around, we've got this lovely window with louvers here for ventilation again. They're a really handy little things to have. Our usual beautiful Vectra toilet and a frameless glass shower again with the Hans Grohe fittings and finishes in there. Again, we've got this beautiful ladder floor to ceiling towel rail in here as well. So nicely laid out little bathroom. If you want to come through out the bathroom door into bedroom 2 in here. Again, they've got these beautiful blue-grey walls in all the bedrooms in this home. And the size of the bedrooms in the 150 are really good. It's a 3.4 by 3.1 metre dimension. So nice large bedrooms, and they're all fitted out with these inbuilt floor-to-ceiling wardrobes as well. In this case, we've obviously got open shelving on each end and extra hanging rails in the middle there. So nicely laid out bedrooms. So if you want to follow me to the bedroom behind this wall, coming through again the second living area and into bedroom 3. the last room of the house. So this is exactly the same size and layout as the bedroom that we've just come from. So I think that might conclude the tour. This house is heading off to Mahia Beach in the next few days, but if you are interested in coming and having a look at a 150, we have got a Tilt 150 show home on our site at the moment. It's open and available to view. So, you know, give us a call or visit our website, www.elevatehomes.co.nz, to arrange a time to view. We'd love to see you. But yeah, that's us for now. Bye. Thanks for watching.